just fine.
Oh, that's great.
Redo that.
Hello, hello.
You've got to dream big, or don't dream at all.
Hey everybody, we had a good time today out at the Volks Folks Fort Worth Volkswagen show.
At Burgers Lake.
Burgers Lake, which was really cool. And my buddy called me. He's president of the local club, and he said, "Hey, why don't you bring the Rialta down?" And I thought, man, you know, I guess so. And he said, "No, bring it. Everybody, I'd love to see it." And man, we had so many people come out and say,
Oh, we did a lot of tours today.
a lot of tours. We got to show a lot of folks Rialta they hadn't seen it for the first time, and so made a lot of new friends. And what's cool is we actually entered it in the show. You can hear all these great bugs and cars starting up here and taking off.
They're everywhere.
They're everywhere. But we got to enter in the show and the contest, and dun, da, 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 check it out. That's it. Yeah, how cool is that? So, hey man, Rialta Life, if you get the chance to go to a Volkswagen show event, you should go and check it out, man. They like seeing the cars. And just rep the brand, show them the Rialta. It's really fun. A lot of people knew about them and just wanted to get a walk through them and hadn't seen them in person. It was a lot of fun.
It was fun.
We had some stiff competition with some custom vehicles. They put us in a custom class.
They had great cars here.
Yeah, it was some great cars, but it was really fun. So anyway, we're going to put more video out pretty soon, but we're going to put some good footage of all the vehicles. And hey, check out our cool shirts. Matching shirts, yeah, baby.
Art Beats VW.
All right, hey, bless y'all.
Take a number. Take a number.
Where you at?
Fort Worth.
Stand still. What are you doing?
We're at a VW show.
Show me your shirt.
That's just a shirt though, it's not for the show. But we did bring out Cutie.
Early, and we're gonna see if we are the only Rialta here today.
Take a number. Take a number.
That's freaking awesome. Oh. All right, hey, bless y'all, and remember, God is good.
All the time.
All right, bye-bye. Yeah.
You've got to dream big, or don't dream at all.